I'm Melissa Cartwright with Thomas Oilfield Services. We're very thankful to be the band sponsor for the 5th annual Shale Energy Bustin Clays for Kids.
I'm Josh, this is Alex. We're here with Ironside. It's been a really good turnout. It's been a lot of fun. Put us in front of a lot of potential customers, clients. It's been really great for Ironside.
Hi, my name is Jeremy with Orion Water Solutions. It's been a great event. We really appreciate being here.
Hi, we're Advanced Equipment Rental. A huge thank you to Jeff and Miranda for putting on this wonderful event.
Dude, you know what I love? Bustin Clays for Kids. This place is awesome. This was a blast. Y'all have fun, guys?
Yeah!
Hey guys, Dakota Klein, the 2024 Bustin Clays for Kids. Love these guys. Jeff and Miranda have done a hell of a job getting us fixed up this year.
Hi, I'm Melissa Malloy with Fesco, and we have been here with Shale Energy for the last 3 years and enjoy it. They are raising money for the Fineman schools.
Sold. Thomas Oilfield Services, $17,000. Hey, let's go! Raise your steel thing up! So again, this is Tracy with Bynum School. Trust us, we're going to make the biggest donation we've probably ever made in our lives to Bynum Schools.